if I followed the guides for the Pluto trigger and connecting this to my flash units, I had a little trouble with it. My one flash unit, although it does have the connector and does fit, I couldn't get to fire. My Yongo doesn't have the correct fittings. I had to get a bit creative and have a workaround on it. So, although I've got this wire, it's no good to me. Now, I connected the trigger to my camera, and of course the other end connected to the water drop valve. Now on the camera I had wireless trigger. This of course connected to another wireless trigger on my flash unit. I set my camera to a 1/4 of a second exposure, and that was enough time to remove any delay and fired the flash units. Quick run through. Pluto trigger connected to the camera. Camera has wireless remotes for the flash. The Pluto trigger is also connected to the water drop valve. Using the phone app for the Pluto, I tell it to start. The Pluto tells the valve to release the water. I hear a double click. It then tells the camera to fire. Having that 1/4 second exposure removes any delay in the wireless receiver to the flash unit. I hear the camera start and then the flash goes, and with a bit of luck the water drop collision has occurred. What is good about having a wireless receiver is that you can have more than one unit firing at the same time.